my association. A project of my association is called Radio Miniatura, A World to Share. I'm coordinator of this project in Spain with another teacher voluntary. First of all, sorry for my English. I think that everybody knows that not really good, but I will try to explain the project clearly and quickly. What is Radio Miniatura, A World to Share? It is an experience of education that want to create a communication bridges between children of different cultures. The objectives are to contrast how all girls and boys see the world that they have around. To do that, think about this world using a radio program as a way for expression and to promote the acceptation between people, and finish to insist in the idea that different cultures in our world is beneficial for all. The phases of the project are we started doing experiment with the radio online from September to December 2010, preparation from January to March 2011, execution from April to December 2011, summary of data and publication from January to April 2012. We cannot forget evaluation during all the project. The target audience, the project is directed to children between 6 and 12 years old. The selection has been done between the members of the different associations and schools. Every child who wanted to participate has been very welcome. We have a gender balance because the total number of jobs are 225, where 107 are boys and 116 are girls. Also in this project, children with social problems participate. The project activities are work in a group, radio program, and video conferences. The children work in a group. The thoughts of the boys and girls have to carry on to a little debate helped by the teachers with the debates, making some questions. And after we let them express themselves in a free way. Finally, they express their ideas about the topic that we have discussed in a radio program online in that link. The interaction between the participant countries is by video conferences and email, because it's in a multinational group. The school and association taking part in this project are that one, 3 in Spain, 1 in Morocco, in Dominican Republic, Argentina, Mexico, Colombia, Guatemala, and Germany. Funding. The following institutions have asked money to work in the project are Casco Antiguo Association of Mairena de la Jarafe, Banc Cajasol, and Town Council of Mairena de la Jarafe. How do we evaluate? How do we evaluate? The follow-up to our project, we will do it by mail, by video conferences to see if it's good or work, and also to compare it. And with some picture of all our days of work, so we can show that we have done. We want a continued evaluation process. We think that this evaluation will help us to correct our mistakes and solve some problems. That when the contact with the different coordinator will be every week and during all the time of the project. This step will be joined to the project, and that's why it hasn't got a limit duration. We will have to consider 2 aspects to do the evaluation: the working process and the result of this working process. All this work is done in a voluntary way, so the element that we will see for this evaluation will be the grade of implication and grade of participation. The element that we will use to evaluate this will be the observation of the different work and that we will do. The best element of evaluation will be the continuity of all the activities, because that will show us that we have now how to work correctly by a correct group. Support. We have received the support of the following institution: UNESCO Professorship of Peace, Philosophy, Spanish International Cooperation Agency for Development, Spanish Foreign Office, and Mairena de la Jarafe City Council. The sustainability of the project will be through different ways. Through the website My Association, through social nets like Facebook, Twitter, and 2020 is a Spanish social net. Through the publishing and free distribution of the DVD along the participant countries. To finish the project, to make a DVD of this experience. The aim is the publication of a DVD that explains this experience by all the boys and girls who have participated, like a trip through the different countries of the world, in which each boys or girls will introduce the other children, their way of life, tradition, cultures, etc. They have to show the other children how they see their country and their life. Participants are 24 teachers, 225 children. And what do we get? We want to create a net of friends around the world, like that one. Only one project. Thank you very much.